सांसों की बदबू रोकने के 5 उपाय। Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can result from poor dental health habits and may be a sign of other health problems. Bad breath can also be made worse by the types of food you eat and other unhealthy lifestyle habits. आप जो खाते पीते हैं उसका असर आपकी सांसों पर होता है. The food consumed by you begins to break down in your mouth. If you eat foods with strong odors such as garlic or onion, brushing, flossing and even mouthwash will merely cover up the odor temporarily. The odor will not go away completely until the foods have passed through your body. क्या बुरी आदतें खराब सांस का कारण बनती है? If you don't brush and floss teeth daily, food particles can remain in your mouth, which promotes bacterial growth between teeth, around the gums and on the tongue. This causes bad breath. Antibacterial mouthwashes can help reduce bacteria. In addition, odor-causing bacteria and food particles can cause bad breath if dentures are not properly cleaned. Smoking and chewing tobacco-based products can also cause bad breath, stain teeth, reduce your ability to taste foods and irritate the gums. क्या स्वास्थ्य समस्याएं सांसों की बदबू के साथ जुड़ी है? लगातार बुरी सांस या मुंह में एक बुरा स्वाद मसूड़ों की बीमारी की चेतावनी के संकेत हो सकते हैं. मसूड़ों की बीमारी दांतों पर प्लाक के बढ़ने से होती है. The bacterial buildup causes toxins to form in the mouth which irritate the gums. If gum disease continues untreated, it can damage the gums and jawbone. Other dental causes of bad breath include poorly fitting dental appliances such as ill-fitted full or partial dentures, yeast infections of the mouth, and dental caries. The medical condition for dry mouth can also cause bad breath. Dry mouth may be caused by the side effects of various medications, salivary gland problems, or continuous breathing through the mouth. हम सांसों की बदबू रोकने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? अच्छी मौखिक स्वच्छता बनाए रखें. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste to remove food debris and plaque. Don't forget to brush the tongue as well. Replace your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. Use floss or an interdental cleaner to remove food particles and plaque between teeth once a day. Dentures should be removed at night and cleaned thoroughly before being placed in your mouth the next morning. नियमित रूप से अपने डेंटिस्ट के पास जाएं. Visit your dentist at least twice a year. Your dentist will conduct an oral exam and professional teeth cleaning and will be able to detect and treat periodontal disease, dry mouth, or other problems that may be the cause of bad mouth odor. धूम्रपान या तंबाकू युक्त उत्पाद चबाना बंद करें. Ask your dentist for tips on kicking the habit. भरपूर पानी पिए. This will keep your mouth moist. Preferably, chewing sugarless gum will stimulate the production of saliva, which helps wash away food particles and bacteria. आप जो खाद्य पदार्थ खाते हैं उनका रिकॉर्ड रखें. If you think that a particular food is causing bad breath, bring it to the attention of your dentist for consultation. Similarly, make a list of the medications you take. Some drugs may play a role in creating mouth odors. सांसों की बदबू को कौन ठीक करता है? In most cases, your dentist can treat the cause of bad breath. अगर बदबू मसूड़ों की बीमारी की वजह से है, तो आपके डेंटिस्ट आपको पेरियोडोंटिस्ट के पास भेज सकते हैं. सांसों की बदबू से छुटकारा पाने के लिए हम कौन से उत्पाद इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? माउथ वॉश आमतौर पर कुछ समय तक ही मुंह की दुर्गंध रोकने के काम आते हैं. There are, however, several antiseptic mouth rinse products available that kill the germs that cause bad breath instead of simply masking breath odor. अपने लिए सबसे अच्छा उत्पाद जानने के लिए अपने डेंटिस्ट से मिलें.